Hello everyone, this is Teacher Jinjin Tigandeza. Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-determine whether each sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. Pero bagong lahat, i-recall muna natin kung ano ang definition ng arithmetic or geometric. So, arithmetic sequence is a sequence with the difference between two consecutive terms constant called the common difference. A geometric sequence is a sequence with a ratio between two consecutive terms constant called the common ratio. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence, i-click nyo lang dito sa taas para mas madali ninyong ma-identify kung geometric or arithmetic sequence pa siya. Meron tayong 10 examples, just keep on watching. Hello mga anakshis! Welcome to Math TV PH. Ang channel na ito ay tungkol sa math tutorials, lectures, or discussions na Tagalog at Taglish na dedicated sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe, at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. So dito, ang gagawin natin ay to determine whether each sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So, ayon sa mga definitions natin kanina, hahanapin natin yung common difference kapag arithmetic at hahanapin natin yung common ratio kapag geometric sequence. Okay, number 1. Meron tayong 6, 18, 54, and 162. Kung mapapansin natin ay magkakalayo yung mga sequence, malalayo yung mga agwat nila. So, posibleng ito ay geometric sequence. But, we need to check kung geometric sequence nga ba ito. Para malaman natin kung geometric sequence ba siya, i-divide natin yung successive term sa preceding term. So, 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. And 54 divided by 18 is equal to 3. And 162 divided by 54 is equal to 3. Ibig sabihin, the common ratio is 3 and this is a geometric sequence. Number 2 example, 4, 10, 16, 22. Kung mapapansin natin ay magkakalapit lang yung mga numbers. Posible kaya ang arithmetic sequence to? I-try natin by getting the common difference. Para makuha natin yung common difference, isubtract natin yung successive term sa preceding term. So, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. So, meron silang common difference na 6. And therefore, this is an example of arithmetic sequence. Dito naman sa number 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. I-try natin kung arithmetic siya at i-try din natin kung geometric siya. So, kunin muna natin yung common difference nila. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. At kapag kinuha natin yung next term ng common difference, i-plus natin. So, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Eh, ang sumunod is 2. So, hindi pwede ang arithmetic sequence. Now, subukan natin yung geometric sequence. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. And 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Hindi rin na-satisfy yung definition ng geometric sequence. Ibig sabihin, this is neither. At ito ay example ng Fibonacci sequence na i-discuss ko sa mga susunod pang video. Another example natin, number 4, 625, 125, 25, and 5. So dito, kung mapapansin nyo naman, ay magkakalayo yung numbers sa posibleng geometric sequence. Pero kailangan pa rin nating i-check kung may common ratio nga ba sila. So, 125 divided by 625 is equal to 1 over 5. 25 divided by 125 is equal to 1 over 5. And 5 divided by 25 is equal to 1 over 5. Pare-pareho ba yung common ratio nila? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, ang common ratio niya is 1 over 5 and this is a geometric sequence. Number 5, 1/2, 1/4, 1/6, and 1/8. Since magkakadikit sila at magkakalapit na numbers, itry natin yung arithmetic sequence. So, kunin natin yung common difference nila. 1/4 minus 1/2 is equal to negative 1/4. 1/6 minus 1/4 is equal to negative 1 over 12. So, hindi na sila magkapareho, ibig sabihin hindi na siya arithmetic sequence. Now, itry natin kung geometric sequence ba ito. I-divide natin. 1/4 divided by 1/2 is equal to 1/2. 1/6 divided by 1/4 is equal to 2/3. So, hindi rin pareho yung common ratio nila. Ibig sabihin, this is not arithmetic, this is not geometric. Ibig sabihin, neither of the two. Number 6, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Itry muna natin yung arithmetic sequence. Find the common difference. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So, dyan pa lang, hindi na sila pareho. Ibig sabihin, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Next, kunin naman natin yung common ratio niya at itry natin yung geometric. 8 divided by 5 is equal to 8 over 5. 13 divided by 8 is equal to 13 over 8. So, hindi rin sila magkapareho. Ibig sabihin, this is not a arithmetic, this is not a geometric. Therefore, neither. Number 7, negative 1,296, 260, negative 36, and 6. So, kung ganito, kung napapansin nyo na magkakalayo na sila, ang pinakauna nyong itatry ay kung geometric ba siya. So, 216 divided by negative 1,296 is equal to negative 1 over 6. Negative 36 divided by 216 is equal to negative 1 over 6. 6 divided by negative 36 is equal to negative 1 over 6. So, pare-pareho yung common ratio nila na negative 1 over 6. Ibig sabihin, this is a geometric sequence. Next, another example natin, number 8. 8.2, 8, 7.8, 7.6. So, first, itry muna natin kunin yung common difference nila. So, 8 minus 8.2 is equal to negative 0.2. 7.8 minus 8 is equal to negative 0.2. 7.6 minus 7.8 is equal to negative 0.2. Meron silang common difference, ibig sabihin, this is an arithmetic sequence. Ang common difference nila ay negative 0.2 and arithmetic sequence. Next, another example, number 9, negative 1 over 42, negative 1 over 35, negative 1 over 28, and negative 1 over 21. So, first, kunin muna natin yung common difference nila. Negative 1 over 35 minus negative 1 over 42 is equal to negative 1 over 210. Next, negative 1 over 28 minus negative 1 over 35 is equal to negative 1 over 140. So, hindi na sila pareho, so X na ang arithmetic sequence. I-try natin i-divide para makuha yung common ratio kung meron. Negative 1 over 35 divided by negative 1 over 42 is equal to 6 over 5. Next, negative 1 over 28 divided by negative 1 over 35 is equal to 5 over 4. So, hindi rin sila pareho. Ibig sabihin, it is not geometric, is not arithmetic. Ibig sabihin, this is neither. At ang example na ito ay example ng harmonic sequence na pwede nyong panoorin sa mga nauna kong video. Number 10. 11 to negative 7, negative 16. So, subukan natin kunin yung common difference nila. 2 minus 11 is equal to negative 9. Negative 7 minus 2 is equal to negative 9. Negative 16 minus negative 7 is equal to negative 9. Okay, so meron silang common difference na negative 9. Ibig sabihin, this is an example of arithmetic sequence. So, yun lamang mga nakshis. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan or clarifications, just comment down below. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, please like, subscribe, at share nyo na rin sa mga kaibigan ninyo. Abangan ninyo yung pagkuha ng geometric means at ang pagkuha ng end term ng geometric sequence. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy at mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you all and goodbye!